Mfethu, you were guys part of a group Endless Chapters production. Yeah. You are famously known for a movie Izizwe Mfethu. That movie Mfethu was advanced. Kwakuthanda abantu abayitshela ukuthi khona abantu abadlala ku TV. Abakushift abangena phakathi.
Go 2010, I think go 2010. Yeah, we World Cup kwakubhizi yo. Yakhumbula nje ukuthi abantu babesibahamba bobuka amabhola thina siyashutha. Kuza nethu nje abantu bokuqala abayazi lokho kuza nethu oqala. Ukuthi sasi active workshop isiqephu esingapheli sasibiza ngesiqephu so safikela i-idea ukuthi ake samse workshop sozama nathi sazama bahlangana imali sathenga icamera from kwicamera sasithi soshutha wona amahlaya and then ngathi uGolf Rivele wayevele nepassion yamafilimu wathi sinoba fethu ake sizameni ukwenza amafilimu njenga wonke umuntu osuke elokishini elincane njengothalo sasingayikhola leyo ukuthi ngenze